What is up, guys? Welcome back to N&J. As you can see, I'm in the garage today with the Ducati. I'm going to be installing the UPMAP. Like I talked about in my last video, I got the exhaust. I hadn't got it tuned yet, but we're going to do that today. And so I'm just going to walk through that process with you guys. Show you how to do the app and all that. So yeah, let's jump right into it. Alright, so first things first, you got to take the seat off, which you can see I've already done. But pop the rear seat off. Comes with the Allen key. Take off your rider seat. And then you want to come to this side of the bike, which is right here. And there'll be a plug right here. This one is the CAN bus Euro 4, I think, plug. This is a 2022 model year, and a lot of people say they come with the Euro 5. I hear it's kind of mixed between the two. Some of them have the Euro 5, some of them have this. So I made the mistake of ordering the Euro 5 plug without looking at my bike first, and that kind of screwed me because my bike doesn't have that one. So I had to order the correct plug so I could do this. So now I have an extra one, but now you can see what that one looks like. If that's what your bike has, then that's what you need. But make sure you come look at that first before you order it, because even on the 22 model like mine, it's got the old one. So just keep that in mind. But yeah, so you're gonna find that plug, pull the cover off, and then plug that up, and we'll go from there. Alright, so once you got the cover off, this is how you can tell if it's the old model or the new one. The old one is this yellow plug. I believe the Euro 5 is also red on the bike, like it is in the case. But this is the old model, so we're gonna plug into that. So this is what the UPMAP comes with. Just comes with this in the box, which is the actual device you're going to be using. And it plugs in right there. I don't know how well you can see that, it's kind of dark in here, but the other end of your cord plugs in there, and then you go from there. That plugs in right there like that. Then you got your cord, and then take that end of it and plug it into the bike. And as you can see, we got power now. So what I'm going to do is put the key in the ignition. I'm going to leave it off for now. And we're going to go ahead and pull up the app on the phone and see what it tells us to do. Alright, so we got the app pulled up. What you got to do once you're in here and you got the green light on, you're going to click the helmet, find your devices like so. Obviously mine says no devices, so you're going to add device, blah blah, accept, and go. It says make sure you have UPMAP device and cable, active internet connection, and Bluetooth is on, and your kill switch has to be in the run position, so you don't want it down like that. You need it up so you can actually start the bike. So we'll click go. We have a Ducati. It shows you exactly where the plug is on the various models. So it says make sure everything is plugged up correctly. Check your kill switch that we just did. Did that. Actually, let's go back. Can we go back? Okay, well, let's run it. Let's see what it does. Should pop up here. Found a device, so you click on it. And we'll go ahead and configure. And it says down here, estimated time, looks like it's going to take a couple minutes. So once it does that, we'll come right back and get back to it. Alright, so it just did the first thing. Up here it said rebooting device, the lights changed, and it looks like now it says it is detecting vehicle model. So once it does that, I'm guessing it will go ahead and... Okay, let's see what happened here. Unable to start dialogue. I think you gotta turn the key on, is the problem. So let's try it again. Okay, we got it plugged in. Run stop button is in the run position. Alright, let's put the key on. So, got the key on. I'll click go. And let's see what it does this time. Lights green again. Found our device. Now it's doing the same thing. We'll go ahead and configure. There we go. Now it worked. So, yeah, that is our bike. Configure. And confirm. Device successfully paired. We will end configuration. Alright, now it tells you what to do next. So that step is complete. We'll log into the store and choose the UPMAP engine calibration. So that would be this one over here. And you do get one UPMAP free when you buy the device. So there's going to be prices in here, but don't need to worry about that. We're going to go for the Aero exhaust, but we want the performance. Let's look through all of them. Yep. So we're going to go with the Aero exhaust. I don't have the Aero exhaust, but I've talked to a couple people that said they use the Aero exhaust UPMAP for this exhaust, and it works pretty good. So we're going to give that a try. So we'll click on it. Tells you all about it, what it does. So we will add to cart. And we will proceed to checkout. So I'm going to put all my information in here and then we'll come right back. Alright, now that I got all my information in, as you can see there's a price tag on there of 159 euros, but we're going to ignore that because right here you get one free. So the first one, you're going to enter this gift code in the voucher section, determine you own a gift, and they will give you your first map free. So go click OK on that, and our total is now 0. And we confirm order. So it should now be, I believe, in our, so we did that. Flash your bike, go to the map section and select the map wizard. Alright, so once you got the map bought from the store, and come to your helmet, click on your maps. We'll click that. We'll click confirm. UPMAP device and cable, dashboard turned on, run position. And we'll let it do its thing. Alright, so procedure completed successfully. We'll end it. And now we have that UPMAP installed. So what we'll do is go ahead and kill the bike for now. And we should see, say, Racing Pro there now. Like that. And we're good to go. So that's all there is to doing the UPMAP. You can leave this on the bike or take it off when you're done, whatever you want to do. There's some features you can do in the app with it if you leave it on, but other than that, that is the video for today. I'm not going to start it right now because it's cold out and wintertime, so we'll start it up when a better day comes along. But for now, that's how you do the UPMAP on your 2022 Streetfighter or any UPMAP procedure for that matter. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, subscribe, like, share, and thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.